Welcome to How to Get an Education. In this film, we'll show you how to succeed in high school and get the education of your dreams. In this example of how to get an education, we will use a random student, like this guy. Let's call him Ronnie. First, you will need to get in a class. We recommend the M class, because let's face it, they are awesome. Before starting, you will need books, a Mac, a pencil case, and a banana for lunch. And, of course, a good smile. Got it? Good. To succeed at the high school, you have to study hard and focus. This may be hard, as the music students sings and play all the damn time. Even though the noise can be annoying, the M class is a class where friendships are made, and you'll discover that you easily make new friends and get along with everybody. After 3 years of hard dedicated work, you will eventually complete your final exam and hopefully be able to get the education of your dreams.